How to apply for Amazon Flex Delivery job on Canada. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. If we then navigate through the flex.amazon.ca, which basically means Canada/requirements, we can then go ahead and see on how we can apply for flex drivers in Canada. If you scroll down, you can then go ahead and see that in order to apply for Flex Driver, you need to live in a city where Flex operates. You can just go ahead and click on find a list of cities with delivery opportunities. And from here, you want to make sure that one of your cities is available. Right after that, you need to be 19 or older. You have to have a valid Canada driver's license, have a mid-size or larger vehicle, have a smartphone, Android or iPhone, and lastly, you have to pass the background check. Now, where are you going to submit these requirements right here? You can go ahead and do that inside the Amazon Flex application. You can just go ahead and click on download the app to get started, and from here you will then be taken to this page. All you have to do is to go ahead and scan the QR code, download the application on your device, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.